Hello, my name is Tiffany. I live in Philadelphia, PA. I am the creator of an online learning platform that promotes full spectrum fitness for your mind, body, and soul, all important, called Fitment. I was so happy when Ronke wanted me to share about my skin and make me over. She's a very inspiring talent, and I love her work. As you can see, my skin is just a little unusual. I have a skin condition called vitiligo. This causes there to be blotches of skin with no melanin whatsoever. And as a result, there is an incredibly noticeable contrast to the dark brown skin I was born with and these porcelain white and randomly shaped white patches. These white spots first appeared on my face at the start of high school, and my initial reaction was to wear makeup to hide it. I mean, why not? I was just starting to wear lip gloss and eyeshadow at that age, so that was the resolution that seemed the most logical, and it made sense to me and my parents, since at that time, and still now, there isn't a cure for vitiligo. I was blessed to be able to make it through high school and college without being openly teased for having vitiligo. I wore makeup to hide my vitiligo for over a decade. All of that time, makeup was as necessary as clothing for me to leave the house. I never ever went outside without it because I was so embarrassed and so afraid of how other people would react to me. I wanted nothing more than to just blend in with the rest of the crowd. However, hiding gets old and it weighs on you. With every new person I met, every relationship I built, I always felt I had this secret which I had to reveal. It began to get harder and harder to hide. These white splotches, you can't control how they spread. I was getting so tired of carrying this as a burden. So, I started a plan to accept my skin. I followed through, and once I did, I felt so free. Walking outside and being seen by anyone and everyone as myself, comfortable in my skin, was something I wish I'd done a long time ago. I feel 10 times more confident in myself and am so much more intentional with my actions. I'm not afraid of anyone else's opinion on my skin because this is not something I chose. It's not contagious. It doesn't hurt. There's not anything that resulted from vitiligo that I should have ever been a fear of. All I was doing was hurting myself and my security. And now I'm not. This was not easy. It took over 10 years for me to even have this confidence, this self-acceptance, and this self-love. But now I have it, and I am not looking back. I'm learning to see through the stares, answer the questions, and educate the curious. I do not mind being asked what's happening with my skin, as long as you ask me politely and don't yell some rude comments. The more awareness we create for vitiligo, maybe one day the stares will stop because everyone will know what it is. My view on makeup altogether has changed. I now make the choice to wear makeup, the choice to highlight and not hide my skin color, the choice to highlight the natural features of my face. Makeup for me now is fun. It's not something I have to be like, oh my gosh, I can't go outside unless I do my makeup. It's now an option for me to express myself however I want to. Some days I wear it, some days I don't. And I'm so happy Ronke gave me this opportunity to share. And if you take anything away from this, I hope you've learned what vitiligo is. and that whatever you're dealing with, physical, mental, financial, none of that can change without you first accepting it, acknowledging that there is an issue and that there's something that you can do to improve the situation. Once you've done that, make a plan and then take action on that plan. For me, I made the choice to finally love my skin. And for me, that includes vitiligo and super pale spots that appear whenever they choose. And loving yourself is something we all need to do. You have to love yourself to effectively and empathetically love others, because you only put out the love you think you deserve. Be your best to yourself, and it will lead to improvements in areas of your life you don't even know are being affected.